This is K. Alakar Raja, working as an assistant professor in chemistry, Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology. Today I am very happy to talk about that values of biodiversity. This is much important for our sustainable life because we are surrounded as number of different type of variety and variability of living beings. Those are also providing a wonderful nature. Those are important for the sustainability of life of living beings. So which provide that biodiversity, which provide that clean water and fresh air, clean water and wonderful habitat, which providing that a nutrient food. So our ultimate aim is to protect our biodiversity from and as well as use the biodiversity values, use the biodiversity for our life of needs. So biodiversity in this topic, I would like to talk some introduction parts about that the importance or values of biodiversity. Then what are the various types of values which are available, and it explained with some more examples. These are nothing but values of biodiversity. We may have to divide two categories. One is the indirect values and as well as direct values. So direct values are nothing but the two important things. We have to collect the important biodiversity products from different type of variable important surrounding environments. First thing is diversity values, which are nothing but consumptive use values, and another one is productive use value. Those are that are called as direct use values. We have to collect important important products which are collected from collected directly from that biodiversity compounds, biodiversity products. So especially the second category is called as indirect values, social and cultural values, ethical values, aesthetic values, and abstract values. So environmental science values, those are nothing but that indirect values. Let me discuss one by one. These are the important types of values I have to list it out in this slide. The first one is consumptive use value. It's also called as a direct use value. We have to get and collect more number of important products, valuable products from that biodiversity. So the biodiversity which provide both flora and fauna, which giving a number of important products for the sustainable life of living beings. That is called as direct use values, where the biodiversity products are harvested and consumed directly. For example, food, drug, fuels. This slide you have to simply note down. Okay, so many kind of products which are directly getting from that biodiversity. Those are important values that provide that a direct use values. For example, food. A large number of wild plants are consumed by human beings as food. A varieties of plants which are identified, which used as a good food for living beings. Nearly 80 to 90% of crops have been domesticated only from the tropical wild plants. Not only important plant varieties are categorized in the domesticated food, animal species are identified and mentioned as large number of animal species which are domesticated and used as a food, direct food. Drugs, more than 70% of modern medicines which are which created a different type of drugs, medicines, whatever it may be, that is based from that very rare species of medicinal plants and as well as plant extracts. More than 20,000 plant species are believed to be used as a medicinal value, especially which are widely used for our traditional medicinal practices like Siddha, Ayurvedic and Unani medicines. So in this slide I have to give some important points. Germany alone uses more than 2,500 species of plants especially a very rare species of medicinal plants which are used for that, for preparation of homeopathic drugs. India uses 3,000 species of medicinal plants, valued species, for production of our traditional production of drugs for our traditional medical practices like Siddha, Ayurvedic and Unani. So more than 85% of global community, which are widely plant community, which are widely used as important things. Here are fuels. This is the people who are living in that nearby villages. At the same time, that people, a little percentage of urban people are using fuel as a good firewood is used as a fuel, especially in that villages and tribals. Most of fossil fuels, coal, petroleum products, natural gas, which are fossilized by that biodiversity. So productive use value, that's the second important use value. The biodiversity products which are directly cultivated for our used for our use, after the used for our necessity, after the excess of biodiversity products which are marketed and sold. The various number of products which are available, especially silkworm, usually silk which is getting from that silkworm, wool which is getting from a sheep, musk which is getting from that musk deer, tusk from elephants, leather from all animals. Those products are products having that commercial value. Those are directly cultivated or getting from that animal species and animal products. Those have that much commercial value. They are marketed and sold. So here in this slide, I have to give an important values of productive use values of biodiversity. Tusks of plants, musk from musk deer, silk from silkworm, wool from sheep, fur from any animals. Okay, those kind of important valuable products directly getting from that animal, and plants which are the excess of things which are marketed and sold. So related to this productive use value, some more industries are emerging, especially in that wood, paper and pulp industry, plywood industry, railway, sleeper industry. Those are rising due to that usage of wood. Textile industries, which are formed based on that necessity, cultivation of cotton. Food industry, fruits, vegetables, animal products, which are increased more, are getting from that biodiversity more. Such kind of food industries which are formed. Leather industries, which are based on the necessities of leather, ivory works, and pearl industries, which are formed based on the requirement of the things which are the products which are getting from that both animals and plants. Social value, that's the third important value. Which value is associated with the life of living people, especially based on their faith, belief, especially religion, spiritual aspects of the people. The people are, India is one of the traditional country which having a number of different kind of people which are living. They are follow a different kind of religions. So much of people, they have a lot of strong faith about based on the religion and spiritual aspects, especially holy plants based on their faith and as well as following traditions. We have to give much value. Some plants and animals having that more importance, especially in that holy plants. For example, tulasi, people, a banyan tree, all kind of trees, lotus, such kind of neem tree, those kind of trees having that more value, which are worshipped as a god by people. They are called as holy plants. Many plants are considered as holy plants in our country. At the same time, not only plants, some animals are worshipped as like a god. Okay, they are called as holy animals. Cow, snake, bull, peacock, rat, because they are separate temple for rat in rat at Gujarat, isn't it? Tiger is worshipped as a god. Elephant is worshipped as a god. Snake is worshipped as a god. Peacock is worshipped as a vehicle of Lord Muruga. Your number of animals which are considered as are worshipped as a god. The Hindus are worship cow, isn't it? As like a god. From this diagram, the picture, you have to simply understand that Tulasi has get more spiritual value. This is that's one kind of a violet flower which having that richness of antioxidants, which are worshipped for making a garlands for God. Some plants are worshipped as a god. Animals are also give much importance to worship as a god. The fourth important value is ethical values. In this value, in this type, all creatures should be worshipped as a god. It should be preserved and protected. Usually, all kind of biodiversity is needed to preserve and enhance it. Okay, that is very much important. All life must be preserved. Any kind of living beings or non-living beings are worshipped as a god or give much importance based on their faith and as well as religious and cultural basis. For example, river Ganga is considered as holy river. In India, a lot of rivers having that giving much importance for protection of rivers, important water reservoirs like rivers. So Ganga river every year, a separate festival is also carry over. At the same time, there's a faith of thousands and thousands of people. So Vembu, Tulasi, Vengai, some of trees are worshipped as a god. Usually they are worshipped by that Hindus. We are not driving anything directly from kangaroo, zebra or giraffe, whatever it may be. The animals, horse, okay, rat, all kind of animals they worshipped, which we should have to give much importance and protect such kind of species based on their religious and cultural basis. So the values are given by the people, okay, based on religious and cultural basis. Ethical values, these are the important things. So Ganga Aarti, that is an important festival. So at the time, the Ganga is also glittering by the presence of Aartis. Okay, a lot of Aartis they have to take down. A number of small lamps, which is also floating on that the river of Ganga. Ethical value, that is very much important. That based on the faith and cultural activities. Fifth one is aesthetic value. This is very important. All kind of biodiversity things, which biodiversity, both flora and fauna, we should be preserved and protected. Usually they are, everything, most beautiful things, especially whatever it may be, a river or a plant or any kind of a species, either animal or a bird or plants, whatever it may be, the beautiful things must be preserved and protected. Okay, no kind of disturbances to that particular species. All kind of creatures should be protected. So the beautiful nature of plants and animals, which is compulsorily protect the biodiversity. Most of the important aesthetic value of biodiversity is ecotourism. They induces more ecotourism, which attract the people who are from that far away from any other countries. So the people are mostly attracted by such kind of beautiful things in that particular country. So all kind of beautiful and attractive living beings, it should be preserved and protected. That's nothing but aesthetic values. Last one is nothing but option value. Because this is entirely different, because the species of the value of any plant or animal which is not understood and known, at the same time the values may have to know in future. For example, a lot of diseases which are not cured by that allopathic medicines, but at the same time we have a strong belief, strongly we consider that kind of chronic diseases or such kind of very peculiar diseases which may have to clear by some more important medicinal plants. The values are not understand are known by ourselves now, but at the same time the value of such species of any animal or plants may have to know in future. That is called as optional value. So a lot of medicinal plants which is also under in that category. At the same time, we may have find that a proper solution or a medicine for AIDS, mostly chronic diseases also, other chronic diseases. Nowadays, if we know that a coronavirus, which can be cured by some more important plants, okay, our traditional methods may have to follow to cure such kind of chronic diseases. Okay, so from this session, we have to understand what are the different values of biodiversity, why should we protect and preserve such kind of biodiversity, and what are the important valuable products we have to getting from that getting from this value, okay, from this biodiversity that is discussed here. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone.